It's night. Everything is quiet. You finally sit down to study. You open your book, flip a few pages, and suddenly it hits you. I don't know anything. Your heart starts racing. Your mind goes blank. You look at the syllabus and it feels too big, too much, impossible. And then the thoughts start coming. Should I just give up? Is it already too late? But listen carefully. This one night is not the end. This one night can still save your exam, because marks don't come from studying everything. They come from studying the right things in the right way. The real problem, not time, but strategy. The biggest mistake students make is not laziness. It's lack of direction. Most students study randomly, jump between topics, read without understanding, keep checking their phone, and after hours, nothing stays in memory. Why? Because panic reduces focus. No focus equals weak memory. Weak memory equals wasted effort. So more studying doesn't always mean better results. The difference is simple. One student panics, one student follows a system. Today, you follow the system. Shift in mindset. Study smart, not everything. Here's the truth most students ignore. You don't need 100% syllabus to score well. You need the right topics, clear understanding, strong recall. Exams are patterns, not surprises. Once you accept this, pressure reduces, clarity increases. Control your environment. Before studying, fix your setup, because your environment decides your focus. Imagine this. You sit to study, then suddenly, notification, message, reel. Focus gone. So instead, keep notes, PYQs, formulas ready. Keep water nearby. Clean your study space. And most important, remove your phone completely. Not silent, not nearby, away from you. Because every distraction resets your brain. Find what actually matters. Now, don't start studying immediately. First, understand what is important. Do this. Check previous year questions. Look for repeated topics. Ask friends what's important. Exams repeat patterns. If a topic came multiple times, it has high chance again. So focus on 60 to 70% syllabus gives 80% marks. That's smart strategy. Start with PYQs, game changer. Most students do this wrong. They study first, then check questions. Reverse it. Start with PYQs. See question types, understand answer style, identify important concepts. Now your brain has a target. You're not studying blindly anymore. Follow a smart order. Don't go chapter by chapter randomly. Use this structure. First 2 chapters, last 2 chapters, then important chapters in between. Why this works? Covers basics, covers recent topics, focuses on high-weight areas, maximum output, minimum time. Study in focus cycles. Your brain can't focus endlessly, so don't force it. Use this system. Study deeply, take short breaks, but remember, no phone during break. Walk, stretch, relax. Phone breaks equal distraction and memory loss. Speak to remember, secret method. This is where most students fail. They read but don't process. You do the opposite. After studying a concept, speak it out loud. Explain it in your own words. Pretend you're teaching. Why this works? Activates deeper thinking, improves understanding, strengthens memory. Reading is passive, speaking is powerful. If you're starting from zero, if you haven't studied anything, don't panic. Be strategic. Focus only on high-weight chapters. PYQs from other topics. Skip low-weight chapters. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is maximum marks. Turn studying into marks. Here's the truth. Reading is not enough. You must apply. After each topic, solve questions, practice writing, check mistakes, because exams test application, not reading. Final phase, before exam. First phase, build confidence. Start with diagrams, step-based answers, tables. Easy recall boosts confidence. Then solve mixed questions. Simulate exam thinking. Final phase, lock your memory. Now stop learning new things. Focus only on formulas, key concepts, mistakes. And most important, speak everything again. This locks your memory. Final message. What really matters? You don't need to know everything. You need to know what matters. Because in exams, strategy beats hard work. Your moment. If your exam is tomorrow, don't panic. Don't overthink. Start now. Because one focused night can change everything. Final formula. Speak, recall, apply, revise. Follow this, and even one night is enough. If this video helped you even a little bit, then don't just leave silently. Hit that subscribe button because I'm here to help you win, not just in exams, but in life.